This world is nothing but the mirror. The whole nature is mirroring. We call it nature mirroring. In the Himalaya, all my seven masters connected with sky. If you connect with the sky, you mirror the sky. If you connect with the harmonious humanity, you will connect with a harmonious humanity. You will become a harmonious human. If you connect with your inner peace, whoever you will talk with, whoever you will bless them, they will get a peace. It's all about Sarve Sukhina Santu, Sarve Santu Niramaya. Let everybody be happy. Let everybody be blissful. Om Namah Shivaya. Allah Niranjan means let there be light in the life. Om Namah Shivaya.
God is light.
Om Namah Shivaya.